kan kyerɛ Ghana fo nyina sɛ emra wo su aye be ye Ghana man pe no to so mienu bio no ɛna ɔka kyerɛ man so de adure de we hu de sɛ ɔman Ghana nsase enipa bi ye ne fom fa ɔmo tonton dis conflict of interest Ghana man pe ni kyerɛ mi so de hye to so nanso ɛnda do kyerɛ mi sɛ esi ameke sɛ de ban no anaso ɔhye no we ye firi so eti akwam abie.
Professor Adjoa Agyei Eden Sama betudwa echemu say yo temuafo pani omayi nadi no enya ade aye ne wanwa kra na emu omaye tumi no ho sesaye no ana ehunehunu a ebem
eba ko pie mu apie mantem de ho no ma ne gise mapa ne nyina ne sem asa hwe o man Ghana eye na hyen kwa befa so ebetumi license ne ade amekire driver and vehicle license authority for wono matumi akobia so ye fofora no pa wa kotia ne mpotemaye ne fe pa ebeboa emekwanse kosekose ne ekwanse dwodwodwumadie no akonka ne de nso mu kiremo ebesom awie kasegbo mu.
Principal Edema Presbyterian College of Education Esra Banson Bomodi anomfa chechefo bebre engu school nim sane ebe ya disua onsem ebetimi akoye.
Ensama no pina ka ho na yede besom se agye mensem kasebo ewo dielo ha ene nsia chiripo enkron kasefidis na meka mo sem yakopo ya atoma bosuma ye wo munyan ne da etoso enson eye 7th September 2025 ekro ha be da papa esansem yeni ankasa yade nyina Silver Lady fita sakato na woda baso chechirechi na besi kwesiada na awoda ne bebaso pam enti eye Royal Dark Pharmaceuticals empanifo atena se na Silver Lady ono ene gina mu eye wono brand ambassador ntino abone de jakwa ya ne yenya ne kwa mutumi hwe ne kwanti we de yesra wada Ghana ne yi akwanya to form de ama we sei omo kwa akwa ye free skin and dental screening nyakopo da memenda edi anim nyan ebe ya bobusuma yum de toso nsia mekire 6 September 2025 ebe to dwa forecourt edema Royal Dark Pharmaceuticals won manim ho ma na dwumadie no ebe course ne aso ye no ya dabraka behind Franco Trading Enterprise building nim ma munim adabraka no na munim Franco Trading Enterprise no mesre wada wudi adabraka ho no ma mesre old cinema ho no na ho na dan ne wo ho no pe no mo bomode anako memendai ne ntimi kwa ya pomudi mu sabe meke se wo se no adane asonhron wo se ahye se ya mesre fa kwane nto ye bo ase ne ye twe ho kama ye mpore hye ho mfama na afenso wo skin no eni aye se sabe kwetire ho nam ko na Silver Lady awoda we ne telefone trans ne nsie so de ne kama na won so we de no won san fata pam na ye ka mo se wo ba ma nko ama fa busuane nyina bra na afenso obi a wonim ne bia no wonim bre ne pere behia mo nti bona ma ne yesi yankopon da me na epai yankole kwa hwe ya pomudi mu ye se na afia honam duane yankosie si na ni na ho sei na na pa bra ba kwa ba biem bomode ana bra ma wure fi so wo ba no so wo do ba no beka hu bire bibia tumi akonkan yakopon on hira wo pa we Silver Lady ono na ye brand ambassador de ma Royal Dark Pharmaceuticals Silver Lady Foundation na fiso DLFM na aka ba dwumade we no e de ba so mi na we ye nyina ye nkwane enko hwe yese ho ye nkoko de enko sa yese yade na fi honam dua no so enko nkane
na mekanfo Lumba Supan so ade ama obi biaro ye nhyemude na ohia nsuo ade asom na hɔ hwesan se Lumba Supa de eye nsupa pa ba adwaman so obi ato agusu a otobi anom nti bomode ana wonsa entimi nka Lumba Supa ni bi empanifo epehyenkani onim tricycle ane kia twintu ye hyenkani a frem ye empanifo ewe 0555 274 757 ana 0577 475 343 Okodan so mane ne important madam abanyameche eye so distributor wo honom or adjacent eye Lumba Sport appear to lane bomodiana freno ewe 0557 349 401 Mama Vic ewe Franco Sport oben ye washing bay no freno ewe 0500 680 783 Bra Kwame ewe Dakuman Circle Station oben eye Adom Choba no freno ewe 0244 094 793 Madam Edith Kusi ewo Dowenyo Opsi Central University freno ewo 0246 601 004 and 0266 400 215
Sanso na wiye ka mo se DLFM College Association eyankabum kuwa ekuo no emu de pass adumanam wanom etai DLFM adwuman echi papa ombo ye chi dompa nyasem kuma sara sere kwe no etai yam papa wonya ne ba be kuro The late Charles Kojofusu ne nwom tuo nyina chi eboa pa ma no nwom no yɛtumi project ma wiase amansa nyina hwenya papa no nwene mude ne sɛ de mude te sɛ wo ne te pepepe ne kuo no ebi wa monone ene be nsu wo manga na munti wɔnom toto srɛ wada Ghana ne a wotie ma wiei sɛ opa yɛn papa wonya ne ba bi kuro na kita aku ahodo e wo manyimu pa de mu ɔde na de owura mu a wo ho beto ye pa de ne nyina da DLFM College Association ko bɔde afa ho be hyem bi na ekuo no emu adodode no wonsa entimi enka bi fremperifa ahomaturufo se na gimu kyeremu efiri wɔ no mankyɛn 0538 865 393 0538 865 393 ɛsɛ yɛ homrade sɛ yɛmfa ɔdɔ nti bra ne yɛnyina yɛmfa ɔdɔ na yɛmfa motom na kenka fa yɛse nkondwa ɛbɛsom awie no edi amagye so ɛtakwade kotwokrum twabe wɔ de hyekonkrom wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene Alhaji Abdul Twasunte mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
anem na ne
Dum Solevi
ya da ya ho ya ba de kasebo ne kyeremu akasa ɛbɛsom
The Yale News.
Sekutu sebam nyade ni bia sekutu sebam yen mwachigo sekutu sebam midian kokofu sewa sekutu ba ko pe mitie DL kasebo ti sekutu sebam nyade ni bia we asante akade
we enya wodi ni bia kra afi yamfa kasebo no enkyiremo emfa ensomom Ghana fo bakaya America krantamu ni ana kwetia ekokoto aba ewo mfempem yenu ne aduonu enan na abato no kwawiye no na NS yakumi edemu nkunim a edu baabi no in fact ekwayere se benta ekwayere se sira wo mayimu ne yekoto akone abapam enani isi ne otu franka ewani sema yokundim akwetia edne kokokoto sam edu baabi mpo na NS yakumi ejina mashibadwoma na empenifo bekire fi so mu kire mu sem kod je shama de bre ne nyade na wodi sunti enam so papa bedi nkunim odi nkunim na kire no anche bia na ba mo wodi na pakan be fa ne koya in fact e ma de hye mo wo akutia ne potem eto mo na bese no bo buna papa pa o mayimu a na emu oyaya pa na no eta commission ne hye sendra da o my Ghana ade hye mo akutia mo kwese na mkoto abem na mo mpawo mase bedwane foforo fa ma ade hye a wonom ewa akutia na ndra da in fact anopa na bato no hye ase a ene na ekwa ne ye ba sa betia na obi dia sotra fachi na pew ne ebi ne bontrene ne koso anya sim kuma kram na bato no kwa wiye pe na electoral commission office ogina mo no ekire mu sem National Democratic Congress NDC amanyuko no one candidate Bernard Bediako Betu watume di munkunim mamekese de ekwetia constituency no na ye MP elector okwakotu franka de ama adehye mo ekwetia o mahibetwam na dwumade ne kwa wiye na mu kire mu a resource eba bonte we polling stations mako 119 oha any donkron eye miamia hodo no wa mu kire mi se na ye eye 21 electoral areas ahodo pana Bedu etiminya 108 otuminya eye 18,199 votes empim don wotwe oha ene adio kronkron 18,199 votes ena otuminya yodidi nkunim eno achi eno gina ho edema ha mugichemu no aduonum enan echiripo aduasam 54.3% ena dokwachiremu edema New Patriotic Party MPP Solomon Kwame esimedume wafase etiminya 15,235 votes eno no udukwa kankasemu a yebeka ne se mpim dunum echiripo ahamienu ne aduasandum eno no so nyanya eno mu gina ho edema ha mugichemu aduanandum echiripo aduanan eye ensia 45.6%. Sounds na wafase kuma Owusu Patrick ekotu franka adema eye Liberal People's Party LPP onunya 82 votes ejinamo hagichemu no emienu echiripo aduonu 9 no wonyaye yeta commission echire musa bato no kopepepe bibia totin enya ade abasabasa ye bia akọ so de fa bato no chire musem mea hodo ma akọ officers ahodo ma made pa wono mo no aha 9 ne ade wotwe enan no 484 eye temporary officers ne bodwumaden ye pam ne ma no etimi ekonkan ye pam na bato we mu na eye Inspector General of Police IGP Christian Tete ho no beka kire Ghana for say in fact post for na bodwumaden papa o majadwuma padi omadu supedi pa tiamo mabaso pa na no ena Ghana for beka ya new Japan MP me wa frase Michael ochire ba fi edika be kan so abato ne de de sra ye no o umabo dwumaden MPP eda yi abato de ombedi nkunim pa ne senti so man ni nkunim pa masiba dwa kwanwa no ode beto fom onto franka bio na yenko tie ne yahodo am na me wa fase mark ochire ba fi kasaletu dwawate
MPP will take the seat. The margin will be very slim. I believe we'll win the election, but the margin will not be too wide. But we'll win. We'll win, I'm telling you. Because of what the work we have done. We have engaged, we have campaigned, we have prosecuted a campaign that has not happened in the history of this constituency before. We have done whatever we have to do. We've done everything. Everything we need to do, we've done it. We've engaged so well and the people have given us assurance. The good news is that there's a young man who had so much a bright future, but he couldn't achieve his aims. So the people want to at least give us the opportunity again to continue. And the fact that this guy, to our candidate, has a very strong goodwill in town. I mean, he's somebody who has done so well for the people. He's so generous. He has paid people's school fees. He has sponsored a lot of people education and business. So this gives him advantage, over his competitors. So I believe that we have a false start. We have a false start in these elections. And confidently, I'm telling you, mark my words, I can even tell you that if we lose this election, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, elections. And confidently, I'm telling you, mark my words, I can even tell you that if we lose this election, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win these elections. We'll win. If we lose these elections, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win. By close of day Tuesday, you see that we have won the election. And that's all. Because I believe the work we have done and the God we serve. The God we serve is a good God. And he has given us hope that we win elections.
I will have a wafasa on the general demand this year. One ewo new Japan about to impress us with payment mu continue kufiobo. Never father no, and we chile Miss Abato and put in a ditch and the pass MPP menu couldn't be mukunim. Nanso a berry ya no, naturally am Panaku Pendo Muafu, in terms of Diane when ye. And Bosha was shay and so no chilima said the iron dear. Monfanche because we dear. Nasana bay when ya way over confidence in Tino. Monfanchane Pananoachino, ne lieutenant officer ditch more at the manu a year equitia constituency no Eric or Usu Jamfi. E declare me wafase Bernard Bedia Kumbe do so no na baton wadim kunim nam na okasa no or the same say tuja.
Here are the vote cast. Solomon Asumedu had 15,235 votes. Bernard Bedia Kumbe of NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. I repeat, Asumedu Solomon NPP had 15,235. Bernard Begiakubedu NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. Total valid votes 33,516. Total rejected ballots 303. Total vote cast 33,819. With the figures mentioned so far, Director, with your permission, I, Eric Osu Jemfi, the returning officer of Akwatia constituency, declare Bernard Begiakubedu as the parliamentary elect, MP elect for Akwatia constituency. Thank you very much.
Enti we me wafase ono na ye returning officer e de ma de hia wonom koto abawa Akwatia ne potemu no gina mu de ma electoral commission the den e de Eric Ogusu Jamfine no achi na ndi se manyoku no mo ho no mu kirim se ye enkumidi aba na ha nyina dane green dia ne suru ku de mayentwi bi pa yenkote ni gisema e koso wa Akwatia.
DLFM 106.9.
Enya semkumo esenesa Ghana Black Stars akwaje World Cup de abreye endra pa Akwatia ne potem endi se manyoku ime ye eniji sempa nya semkuma na no achi na MPP amanyokuo ni mabia na wadom so kwoto abane bi kirem sei eya me wafa ase na wadi nkunim dia mandi se amanyokuo akuti abato no mo no Bernard Bediako Bedu omu kirem so kwacha omu Sikapa ne sika no magye adi mabom sei to omadi na nso abaramanto ama no omma omu sika betu na sidiside kwa ni mu abi mu kura gi be 2000 na so mu kirem sei sika no madi omu awie no kyese omu adi awie kura omu san so esre naka ho Ay, o my 2 million anso no ya to atia no wehu we yam pipi amanyokuo ni ma wane mwa kwete na mu kirem sei Sikapa me wafa ase Bernard Bediako Bedu chiche ye ne nyasem kuma na no achi na Bernard Bediako Bedu a odi mu nkonem na kirem sei na age papa oda de hye mo akwetia ne nyina ase ana mopa ma twetwe ya ponyakopon ko nhira so a o nhira mopa na o kirem a obebo adwumaden asomosompa ofise wo ka akwetia de a na obi anim se be wodi enka diamond fuma gudie na mutuo na nso na nsen muni kama fonti musika semonye o kirem baba bo mopa na fuma gudie mbetu atu ni ye okwampa so na muso mbotom etimi ayede.
Okay, so yes, Ebenezer, this is how far the good Lord has brought us. You have said it all. The confidence has always been there. It is not just mere confidence out of nothing. It was born out of the good work we have done. After engaging the people, we read their reaction towards the message we gave them. And we saw that it had really imbibed. They gave us some hope of a sort, which hope has resulted to what we see today. I mean, we've always been very confident. I told you guys that we've been in this game for a while. If you are in it and you are losing, you will know, except maybe if you don't want to be honest yourself. I told you what we were working out at that moment I spoke to was with regards to the gap. But as for the win, what are we witnessing? We've won. Development. We've always said that, you see, Akwatia's name has always been with regards to mining. You can't take away the mining. Okay, we only have to do it lawfully. That's what we're going to work on. Where we are now is a GCD property. Hitherto, just before Dramani Mahama came to power, the place was in darkness. If you recall, we did the same coalition here and we had to put on some solar panels and all the lamps and all that. Today, and it wasn't because of the by-elections, it was even done before. Today, we have electricity. It is the first step towards getting GCD back on track, which can employ thousands of people. There are other things we are looking at. Essentially, it is about development, and we will make sure we deliver. Yes, we've made that promise. It didn't come from, it came from the president. Of course, it's a central government policy, and we need to remind them and then make sure that they do the needful. I'm grateful. We would have an opportunity to talk more about some of these things. We are grateful for the opportunity the people of Akwatia has given us.
Eni ya wuti Franka twini okogina mo ekopre mahebedwa konwa ewa kutia ne den edin Bernard Bediako Bedu BBB triple B ana B raised to the power 3 ena wote ne nkan na no achi ena ND secretary ni bi kire ne say in fact omo pa adwuma ye pam omo woni das wona ni sum so obebo papa pa fi se mahebedwafo ahodo mbesom wa kutia ho no mo no omo kaka bia ma omo kwa mo nkasa eyefunu ene omo ma no mo mponafo pa na mo kosom mo nti Bernard B raised to the power 3 omo woni das so obebo sente sa pa obebo tu dwa ma hu say yes twede emponyankopon wote ase
but obi ka lawyer no onim kasa ene wa kwolo for parliament obetumi ayede akasa at said what for the past 6 years the for be am for parliament obetumi kasa no pa ba ko pe ite po be kasa ye kwa nye okwo kura be ya kede ya omo kwa ye kwa nye ye go from go ni am mani no wa ba ma na bibi ato ye no ma ye boys no mani na ye mani ene ye it's about boy boys no boys no see that enye mo mani mu no munye ye keke na mo bia no ede esa kwa ede enko na no keke na ense
aye no an ye we aye NDC amayokuo ni ma wanam ewa kutia ena wote wanom eni
yanto akase abone so ani eda so agina akwatia ye by election e course wo honoma na eye isifo adibetu dwasa ye Bernard Bediako na agina edimandisi amanyoko no ana edi nkunim e wa akwatia no ana MPP amanyoko no edi nsembetu dwa na muchemu se eye ade omagi nkugu atumu e wa akomapem esanse akwatia fo ankasa na eyi nipa omani age ne hu nto omudi omuni hwe eka na wei ana Eastern Regional Secretary edema MPP amanyoko no Tony Osei Agyei edi betu dwa na ochem say yade a party no omadi omo hotwa mo papa na emom wasom di obuo edi maginesi a akwetiafo atimi asi say omo pese ye Bernard bedi akon ana bedi omanim ye nimpesua ne so na di tuja na ochem say NS kumi a wanya ne ba bi kwaya de waya ne ma bebre edi ama mpesua ne so na mo hwa anim say na akwetiafo betimi ato aba no edi ama MPP amanyoko no say na be ya omba betua dwumadi a NS kumi edi ye ne so na emom so omo pese Bernard bedi akon na meto so dia omo ni hwea omo beka na emom na komo de na komo hwa anim say nkom betimi ahye NS kumi anionyam
Yentu akase bono so ne yemfia akwatia ne yemfia ni fanchire mu ewa Ghana mampene berema oboada John Dramani Mahama akachie na nkomo Evra mampene akachie aba na Ghana fo beka ye mega krantemu ne ena Ghana mampene ebe ye mampene otoso mienu bie wo mayimo no ena ode ne kasa echire mu sem yenga nchira Ghana de hye nyina sem abanda de twamui oma Ghana nsa so mo ye ne fomfa omo tonton sase ne ma o mankasa honfofo mo manga na ho kodi ma yimfa dot mi say in fact we dey no man ye ho akire yi pam na no na Ghana mampani kire mu a obon ho moden ede wo hye eto so say efiri na ekọ enya de o ma ho kwan so obiada etimi ton Ghana asase dada bio eye state lands no untumi mfa wonsa nkanda unim na do nsa ka abanya che ba ko da fiase na china wo hwe ade a wapi ho yi pam na no ena ndra da Ghana mampani ehuri jesie ne esimpie so ena wo kasa na wo kire mu so Ghana for munya botre mla na opa new eye constituted board omkwa kwa o Ghana yensa aseso e wo mayimo no na ye endra ebrada ebobo so eto so mienu emfempe mienu adunu numo e na Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama chirem so o sha odeto asase a yenton wo mayimo so o man asase de na state lands no yenton bio no wapagya de afiri wonom satabo no wagi enti afiri na ekọ de yensa ase no ye betumi aton bi na mo ne ton na yeton na mara kwan so wa wo be ye ne wanye ne se de ese no dantra wase ma Ghana mampani chirem se ubi biara da onsa beka Ghana asase no ese o ba mode ma ehu aban ne tumi hu ne mu pie na asase na woton kwampa so e wo mra wo man gitum emom sentesa na fa kuntuna se la kadase ka koton asase bi na se o manyanya so mfa so a na koye conflict of interest to ma ahobo fofofo na se o mampani nsa so mu Ghana ha no motena no I've directed
the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and the Lands Commission to immediately undertake a comprehensive audit of all state lands allocated, leased or sold, particularly between 2017 and 2024. This audit will cover lands acquired for schools, hospitals and public institutions, forests and ecological zones unlawfully converted to private use, any transaction tainted by conflict of interest, abuse of power or political patronage. Where illegality or impropriety is discovered, such transactions will be reversed and the land will be recovered to government by law. We're not on a witch hunt. Those who have legally acquired land through proper processes need not fear. This exercise is about fairness and justice. The Sale of State Lands Committee has begun its work and will soon submit its findings. That report will serve as a blueprint for rethinking the management, allocation, and protection of state lands. To transform land administration, we must move from paper platform bureaucracy to speed and digitization. The Lands Commission is being tasked to digitize all land records nationwide, building on the Enterprise Land Information System, to integrate services across registries, valuation and survey departments. And three, very important, to introduce blockchain technology to prevent tampering with land data. And four, to decentralize operations by establishing functional land offices in all the 261 metropolitan and municipal and district assemblies. Over 300 qualified young professionals will be recruited and deployed to support this decentralization effort. These district offices will become the front line of citizen-friendly land service delivery. Our goal is clear. No land document should take more than 30 working days to process, and no Ghanaian should have to pay bribes or know someone at the top to be able to register their land. Corruption within the Lands Commission will no longer be tolerated or treated indifferently.
Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama ana ochirim se ubiara waton Ghana asase adi ni kwa no sabi enya so behunehuna na mom emana kwan so no mbeye audit hwehwe mu na se ye chewa ekure we mutena nya odebio eno ache nso mo amoba moden adi dwuma o eye Lands Commission no monye ne tentem obi bepa na asase won kratasem mamo mfa suma se nkoji sika nche ndi mate na moyɛ den tentem na obia wa asase no wɔmfa mana kwanso bibia nkɔ kama ɛne a wotie Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama
Yentoa kasebɔne so na ɛyɛ dan dwa de atwa mu yi ɛbɔbɔ semeni de dikan ɛwɔ mfimpi mienu ane aduonunum ni mu ana ebeto odwa sɛ yade ɔmampani John Dramani Mahama egyina Ghana mamra so ɛto ɛyɛ otemuafo epani ɛyɛ Gertrude Tokno ɛde afiri na kunya ne so na we na former UN senior ɛyɛ governance advisor ɛyɛ Professor Adjoa Agyei Ede nsem atugya echemu sɛ nya ade ɛyɛ ne wɔn akra so ɔmampani John Dramani Mahama ɛyi ɛyɛ otemuafo pani ɛde afiri n'adwumam esan sɛ ansa na ɔmba betena akonya ne so ɛwɔ mfimpi mienu ne aduonunum ni mu no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ne yɛ nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ yɛ ndi samanyoko ne ɛbɔ ɔmo bɛɛ deɛ na nka otemuafo pani no ɔmo bɛyi no ɛde afiri so kyɛkra ana akyɛ no ɔno de hu a wahu no ɛnyɛ ade a ɛyɛ ne wanwa na ɔmo nsɛm a ɔmo kan yɛ nyinaa no na bibia kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ba nneɛma bi se ana ɔmo ba bɛyɛ ɔde nsɛm wei ɛde to nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ anim ɛyɛ nnɛ wukuo ɛbɔbɔsom ne de ɛtɔsom yɛnsa ɛwɔ mfimpi mienu ɛne aduonunum ɛwɔ abrɔ ne ɔmo ɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ ana oche ma sɛnea nneɛma ɛkɔ ne deɛ sɛ ɔmo anhwɛ ne yie a ɛyɛ tumi mu nsesaeɛ na yɛde ehunahuna paa ana bɛbɛm nti ɔmo mmɔmɔde anam hwɛ sɛ dwumadie bi ɔmo bɛdi no ɛnyɛ ade ɛkɔba sɛ tumi nsesaeɛ bi kɔ so a ɛde ɔhaw ɛde ɛbɛbrɛ ɔman Ghana nti wei ne nsɛm a ɛyɛ former UN senior governance ɛyɛ advisor Professor Adjoa Agyei ɛde abɛtudwa
Yentoa kasebɔne so ne yenkɔ piem wa piem mantam bio na make say Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority yɛtwa ne tia ka ne sɛ DVLA empanifo etimi a commission new office ɛwɔ akyem boadua ɛwɔ denjemwo mensinim wa piem mantam a ye bɛboa pa ɛma ahyɛntwie ene akɔnabadie wo sɛsɛm no ɛhobanbɔ nsɛm atumi abam ɛwɔ piem mantam nom na DVLA Chief Executive Officer Julius Nikwe Kote de kasemu ana wochirim sem project empanifo ye bɛboa pa na Ghana mampani ahobanbɔ nsɛm de na koma so ye party through ɛfa ahyɛntwie so wɔ mayi mu a nkwanhia basa ɛkɔ so no Ghana mampani de bonyo so kranti we nyina ka Ghana mampani ne reset agenda no hom wakasɛ no wasa chief so mo san de new ɛyɛ vehicle number plate ɛde ba on registration years na mo de ba no yɛme adoma next year kɔ no wɔka no number na ɛbɔto no mekyerɛw Bono March 2025, I feel with the Muslim say no mumfa bi mo hope you. Yen 2025. Yen chira we year krompo just a ban fe kama. Secret ne so ba ye tight nti wo kodi bone ye pe wa chira kwan a. Dan to wa se me be che tentem kram. Na Mr. Co take send wo chirim sem. DVL mpanifo gusu ba dwumaden ahwe aboa mo man Ghana. Ya hye nyina matumia abomode ahon kratasema konka wo me na boa mo man so ya hyentwie ne akonabadie ho sensem no etime de mo abo man Ghana so yetumi akoyanim ewo mpuntom odi same say etinsantwerefo anim.
The board, executives and management of DVLA, with the support of our staff, have embarked on groundbreaking initiatives to ensure that we deliver our mandate while ensuring that we promote road safety. DVLA has been committed towards ensuring that every driver who sits behind the steering wheel is qualified and satisfied to do so. In addition, we have made a commitment towards ensuring that every vehicle that is placed on our roads is one that has been registered and certified by DVLA to be on our roads. Through this commitment, we provide safety on our roads. In order to enhance efforts towards ensuring safety and security while building a modern and responsive system, the authority is working assiduously towards introducing a new number plate for use beginning January 2026. Now, that one, we are taking the year of registration of all number plates, both existing ones and the ones we are going to register in 2026.
Eni a woti ye no bodi guramu ewo DVLA ono ena ye Chief Executive Officer de ma wono de den edi Julius Nikwe Kote ena wote ne nka no na no ache no ena piemantamu suafo me wofa se reta Ekosua Agyei agwate nso ede aseda kese de nase pam ede ma Ghana mampani se wobo no homoden aboa na watuma decentralize eye won office ho no na aboa na hoba monsem na atimi akọ na DVLA nso atimanya so ye kese wa payment be bo no homoden aboa na won mo twihyan betuma di mna so ne mra atuma ya adwuma e wa hyentwem.
This important milestone is yet another demonstration of our government's commitment to decentralizing services and making public
DLFM
institutions more responsive to
106.9.
the needs of citizens across the country. Another ministers present, Nananum. For too long, many residents of Eastern region have had to travel outside their communities, sometimes over long distances, just to access services provided by DVLA. Today's commissioning marks a turning point in the life of the people of Akwetia and its environs. From this moment, the people of Akwetia and surrounding municipalities can access DVLA services right here in a modern, efficient, and customer-friendly environment.
We a payment temu swafo ne den eden. Reta Adjoa Agyei awate ena wote ne nkan. Na ne kwakura mo no na wobodi wuramo awa payment temu akutia boadua ne potemu nso am. Denchemo district chief executive onimnyamfo Omar Ahmed Tutu. Enso echire musine naje papa Ghana mampeni ayade pa. Project na wawie ni sana beboa pa ma hwentwie ene akwane bedie hu sensem na hoba mbonsem be course nti Ghana mampeni wo moda wase se watumi ayene sa.
The Nhyiraba District Assembly and the people of these districts are deeply grateful for this intervention, which will not only bring a lot of businesses around, but to improve living conditions of the people. I wish to encourage the management of DVLA and the staff who will be stationed here to uphold the highest professionalism, integrity, and transparency. This office should not only be a place where services are rendered, but also a symbol of public confidence and state institution.
Eni a wuti ye no e Denchemo district chief executive ewa payment tem ne den ye do mnyamfo Omar Ahmed Tutu ena wote ne nkan.
Yantua Kasiaboni Sunyenko PMO ewe prayer mantema na Presbyterian College of Education nuwo kibi enu webu akwa South aye Municipal Assembly num ewe prayer mantemu aye omu 17 graduation ceremony at school for be 536 ana omu graduate ye ewe school poni mu na weni ni edi kan ewe mabakosema chese nipa be 125 etiminya first class and emu 303 enya second class upper sanso ana 95 enya second class a lower ana 30 etimi enya third class achese na ye ni jesempa ewo honoma principal no nani agiye papa na bro na esem twofo twetwe nkomo ana ya principal at the college no Reverend Charles Fosu Ayakwa adi tudwa na oche mu so sra ban so momomodi an no fa chechefo bebre sane be ye adesua na adekire ho nsem betimi akoso ye ewo school poni mu esan se school na emu tre ye papa school fo no do an no modo so afi bia asese na ye school fo mo honom kra be ye 1830 a chechefo wo honom eye 50 pe na chese ha dwen esan na adesua ho nsem entimi enkoye nti osra ban so momomodi an no fa chechefo bebre megu school nim sane be yo metimi acha suafo na de no mo so timi asua no masua ne ye sane be ya daachi bi no enya de a eba akọ hawom we no sadi tudwa na oche mu se omu hia hyan om de bedi akoniaba ewo school ni mu esansa abro mo be lanchi no fee stress ewo SDA College of Education wa Sokori eyekofo idua no Omampani John Dramani Mahama ene eye Ministry of Education edi tudwa HM say yade omudi 66 eye sisa buses edi bema eye colleges no sanso ana pick up 50 edi bema principals a omowo eye 46 College of Education ni na wo man ma fanani na anti osram say omomomode an omo femra sane ebe ye omo so no omakone abadie ni so betimi akoye edi amawo esan say eye ahyan omo wo ni sesi ane de mbo akora se kobaso omo fa disuafo no enko baabi enkoye ade ahuhia na chese no so akoye how edi amawom to omo sra ban say ye bosho be she omo no momode an na wondi so odin sem say edi tuja.
Last year you graduating distinction first class student 30 and you bo nyame empire and you graduate 125 ejese nyame ayibi you den nyame ase you bo nyame empire say next year o ma ya ho den ni ntimi mwa na ntimi graduate for be brave omako manim adisuam ye san den nyame ase nso ne bambo ne vesie wodi ma ni pe nyina ye djuma o school mu o fa niema konani edan no nyame adum ye sisi bi ka ho school for no so nyame adom ne abanda roma ye gidodo no a yesre nyankopon se o mani hira nkoso antna Kibi Presby College of Education na yintimi nyuma pa ema emepa enedi school yi mu ɛnhyɛ nyame din nnunyam yo ɔhaw baako mmienu mmiɛnsa bi ɛne ɛwɔ sɛ school nea ɛdi kan yɛ mmɔfra no adɔɔso as you speak no yɛka sɛ yɛwɔ mmɔfra 1834 baakyerɛkyerɛfoɔ akyiradeɛ no ɛyɛ about 53 meaning sɛ ɔmo nso number nti yɛnya no nti ɛsra ban sɛ nadaroma wayɛ bi paa ɔnsa ma yɛn kwan na yɛntimi mfa tikyafoɔ no bi nka ho adwumayɛfoɔ a ɛyɛ adwuma wɔ field no ɔmɔm dodo ha no ɛwɔ mmienu pɛ school kakraka yi ɛne nsuo ahorow ɛtɔ wɔ ha wɔhwɛ school kakraka yi nyinaa yɛwɔ permanent workers a ɔmoyɛ security mmienu pɛ nti yɛnya kwan tumi fa security ɛfa adwumayɛfoɔ no bi ka ho a ɛbɛboa ma yɛatumi abɔ mmɔfra no ho ban na nneɛma nso atumi atotɔ yie na yɛtɔ so mmienu ɛyɛ basa yɛde schoolfoɔ no de kɔ teaching practice aban ahorow atwitwa mu no ama yɛn dadadada bi wɔ hɔ nanso ɛho ka no koraa ɛboro sɛ nka yɛbɛtɔ foforɔ ɛtu a ɛntimi nkɔduru baabi a ɛde schoolfoɔ no kɔ na sɛ wɔ kwan so nti aban da roma ɛne nnipa ɛbɛtumi aboa nyinaa ɛmmoa yɛn na nka yɛnya sika baase no mmienu ɛnka dada mmienu ɛwɔ no ho yɛtumi de schoolfoɔ no akɔ teaching practice ɛwɔ mmeammea ama ɔmo atumi akɔboa.
Ẹni yà wùtí yìí ẹ̀yẹ Reverend Charles Fosua Yakon na principal Edema Presbyterian College of Education. Nanu echi ana moderator Edema Presbyterian Church of Ghana ẹ̀yẹ Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwache. Edi tu dwa na oche mu so obo mpanifo na baso ye papa esan so hwese ne adesuafo na timi asua ade timi akọ manim ema eye 17 graduation ceremony omo ye na timi akọ nanim na na cheso mabo adwuma ye pa esan so obeka ya mfimpim yenu ne aduonu miensa nim no school for 30 pe ana timi nya first class eye hana no na emomo hwa mfimpim yenu ne aduonu 9 eye graduation na omo ye na chese eye school for be 125 ana timi nya eye first class na mo bom abaso ye poma yade no hwe animu se ye graduation be ye ewa anim ni na school for no ebetimi abom ho moden asensei.
Last year, I was here for the graduation, and I commended people for graduating 30 students with first class. And I ask you to double your first class for last year. So when I look at the result, I don't know what to say. Because this is a bit even more than a quadruple of the original result for last year. From 30 to 125 is a major leap, and let's put our hands together. I have looked at the result. That for first class, 2 years ago, this college produced 70. Last year, the college produced 10, and now the college has produced 125. Now, I don't know what we do next year.
DLFM 106.9.
Anything less than what you have done this year. No, never. Before our college, next year we expect that if you can't quadruple, at least you have to double. So next year, nothing less than 250 first class.
Eni ya uti ye eye Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwache ono ana ye moderator Edema Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Na ne krakremu ana Professor Stephen Diofia on ye head of department Edema Guidance and Counseling ewa University of Cape Coast. Edi tu jano si odi afutuo Edema churchefo ya fe no ma graduate so momo modia no mo nchira eye school fo na de omokọ amunya botre FM amofra no esansa wofo bi wo no no wo ne background po no mo na sumuda na mo mbeko school po nim bi wo hanom na esansa bofra na ye boni nti na cheche ni bomodia na obo na sum no mo de ma e de bu wom ose oni no mo njan no mo momodia no mo hwese school fo no metimi achomade esansa wofo no enya gide wo mu enti no mo de mofra na ba school no enti mo mo mfe nkoya asumbo no mo momodia no mo nchomade.
And also the figure myself for an also the book the book now correct is say abufu esia efufu never baso de na enye Bible can send or say we as a man look for a master boko a year. But the who kasa a walk one to swear a year pata a master a corana watch them as yet. The book sorry. In the book sorry, a year of a kasa, a year of a tonesa. And in the other course, I had who was social media that is an apple shakora, now was Shina some and yet. I think that also I'm a person of a tear at the end of the day. A coramo who or you be back. Or you will be this year. Officiating. Now, what was the night of marriage at the Ashamu? So, no better to see about me. Continue a very engineer, my lady now. Or be a doctor, am I now? A be a nurse, I am my lady now. And it's a who 6 years from what? For mobbing, some host, for mobbing, then get a dear and father. Now, more families or more share and feel.
And here I would see a Professor Stephen Diofio, known as head of department at the guidance and counseling at University of Cape Coast. Now, Manny Boy and Sam Troni continue Kofi Obo and a debesumi.
We are near now, we swear, now you can't come my venture. Mode abasumi if you had money be on Facebook na for YouTube na ya fasomo we every Simeon ayeten watch them say good afternoon good news na sampande abapa papa sanso na piaga say Ghana for scenario ni be hu chare dia aka ne de wa unim dada na congratulations to entire umbrella family Kofi parliament no so de aseda ne na ase ebo NDC for abaso akuti abato no madum nkonum na aguna bobi kuma apa na me wafa ase hwe ye different Richard Ashe, aka DJ Ghanaman, or say good afternoon to you, Alahaji Trasunte, aka Hunsu Mponi, Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B, Takradi Kwadwo Trabe with the Shekon. Hey, me wafasi. Just a dino nyabium. Samson Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, or say Dumso Levy. In fact, Kasebone more the pa, or say, in fact, I must confess, dear news is official, sweet like bed meat, a clay, in the mood power with DJ Ghanaman for this with the station. See there. Ya menchira opi we Samson press ra was say and was good afternoon or here live with the free osu me das me wafa say ben ya owusu or say dey what dey wo ye a promo on me wafa so ipa wo ben me anka dey ameyo Kofi tele wafa si fui Ghana ni ka se bon ye disi na nsa na nka boba ko bi wa ye mfa ma mo ye wi na me ni sika ya sere kwan ne yakọ na kwa me afum ne na wafa si sexy journalist abeto asom na anka bo we efri ye mpapa wanya ne baby kro the late Charles Kodwofusu abusuam eye kwana abusuam adeshi busuam wo pakoso and afi nsuta wasantememo ka kire Ghana fo nyina se mu bisa ye ne sade mamo mo de beto ye ne mu se mo pese mo boa ne papa yie no bibia konka ne sika fam ene achade ahodo te no mo pa account am betimi akaka ka mo nsase de abo ne mpenefo ti masofo muntie ne ye pam na pa busuam kire mi so mo de bank account de aba na bank no edin no eye Carl Bank na branch ne Italy gon no mako bia account de ama ho no ma obetimi de kakra be boa ne papa yi no bibia kon kan we enya de sere man kasa na mbisa na ye ne sade ama munti tienie pam account na ma ne ye 140000 wo bo 14 na 0 no ye mako and 94 now the 994 no asambo 3457 me set tim de ama 140000 994 3457 eno aye ka banga branch ni Italy gone eno achi account name ni Daddy Lumba Memorial Foundation shene so pam Daddy Lumba Memorial Foundation eno na ye account name mo sane edi we na beba edi we ya ma when one fan to so fi sane ye de na eno achi short code aba so use smartphone anasa branch da hwebo dada na bo star 771 star 771 star no abo 111666 hash ya papa nyomona eno ane ni code na star 771 star 111666 hash obo wia edem baby sa we say na wo no wa wo sani sika no donors name ye fra we sani wabo sika no di free bank account anasa wallet na wa peneso de open wa asset na wa sen na bibia din we ye kire din eno no yes also merchant name merchant na madiaba merchant we no wo pe bia fofofo na eno so merchant ID ne 786475 merchant ID 786475 and pin so MTN mobile money number momo number no so 0538 901420 0538 901420 Tina supem na boa na nyina papa yi no Yankata na chikram. Nampenifa su penchima from Matrufui 0244 281 460 0244 281 460 and I say 0541 481 765 Encrab 2 Fati Ali Yala Esqua na nsa hyase afensu baba jama any associate eka ho bi ene papa eye fosu family no lawyers na na teacher den kabo we no ye de besum ye ka sebon ye DC na san ye bekwa kura na boa ne jajakwa ye nya ne kwanti we happy birthday ekọ mame wofa ase di this way de kan ekọ de mame wofa ase nana ya menu boachewa yadom nana ya menu boachewa yadom me wofa ase no wanya mfinhie num 5 years na wadi ne nei kofima na pictures na dan nani na me wofa ase ne ho ofe wate ne ho ofe bo made dan pictures na mame enti nana ya menu boachewa yadom ene eya birthday so happy birthday me wofa ase wa kire say in fact me wofa ase ne wa mpa hwe ne che ne fe nyame ayi papa me wofa ase nana ya menu boachewa yadom yakopon hye na nyo kese oma wonyini emeye panyinipa na besom Ghana sompa wei every mia me wofa ase a wo ya adwuma ewo Nhyiraba TVN radio Gangster Kata wote nkura akwaji abuokran o se yemfa woda kese we pam yemfa ma mia me wofa ase nana ya menu boachewa yadom yakopon hye na nyo kese pa me wofa ase na wonkwana no ontumpa ne kwakra mu no wei ekode ma Mr. Jerry Tabi dodo abonam na ne se Master P na wono woka House of DL fan club no ho na ne wa wodenti champion man ho ofe pa senior yakupon hya na wokese mo wa wodai no enye soronko pa yakupon ko nhira so wo nhira wo so anya nya papa ho do na wota na chi ewo House of DL fan club no mu yakupon hya papa na nyokese pam wei every House of DL fan club no na mo se yemfa woda kese emfa mom Mr. Jerry Tabi adodo abonam na ne se Master P ene wa wude yakupon ma de pe wasase we so ne mu de emne wa brabom happy birthday goes to you Master P kasebone ye de asi emusemufuo no eye maze mebere ntwe ne se mu ede ema yen DJs gibi echinchim afre ne furu ma de ma yen hohum kwanso na champion Taylor ede ekopie mu ewo Facebook and for YouTube Baman soja obono tuo kro pete de guba bi kura na wede no wosono wede tuo nka na da usuru kura ono gina konson so etumi tutuo ekum kwabrafo ne nipa keto akra wo fie ha no mo bo moden de ekopie mo Facebook and for YouTube me wafa ase DJ Omalion and afi nso kwame yafum ema me mola support na kenkanfo ye mienu Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy P mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
na hoteden ene
Dum Solevi
yes also hwan na eba
kwame yafum oni sexy general
na kwame yafum ne mla ne ye den
akire mu hine enfifi mu hine enkacha hine okwanim ande no hopa me cho okwanim enkacha hine we ye radio mu yaw asante
we ye radio mu kwame yafum radio no mesra wa na atoye kwame yafum ne sexy tenase anya den wode wonsa kan be ye den ye bechi udadua na mra ne wodi sade asie ye ma nyina mu ene tia adehye
the luckiest